if you see, I have done another rhinoplasty for a broad, thick nasal skin nose, and there was a hump before which I have straightened it out. The tip was too wide, which I have narrowed. The ella were too wide, which I have narrowed. She had a problem. She had a bump here, which I have narrowed down. You can see the ella also. Before, if you see, it was too wide. Now you can see the tip has been narrowed and squeezed, but the girl did wanted it to be too squeezed look, and that is the reason we gave it a nice round natural. And I work according to my patient's liking, and this is what she wanted. She wanted not too narrow look, a natural looking nose which looks good on her face. So you can see from all the angles the nice dorsal aesthetic line, a narrow tip. If you see before picture, the mid vault area was also wide. So everything has been narrowed down right from the bony base to the cartilaginous one, as well as the ala, and the whole thing structure has been brought down because of the hump. But as she shared with me, she likes the height of her nose, which I have maintained, because as we narrow the bones, the height increases. So whatever hump we took out was just sufficient to give her a straight dorsal aesthetic line. That's what she wanted. She's a pretty looking girl. I am sure that with this kind of nose job, she's gonna look prettier, because nose is the central part of the face, and a pretty nose complements rest of the features. She was an extremely attractive girl. It's just that her face was masked, her features were masked by a broad triangular shaped nose, and now you can see it's swollen at the moment. It's gonna look much better once the swelling settles down. On an average, it takes 6 to 9 months for the swelling to settle down. And now we are gonna put in the nasal packs and then put the dressing also. So these are the packs that we use to splint the wall, and you can see, as I have corrected the deviation also, there is no obstruction in her nasal passages or anything. We lubricate it with antibiotic ointment so that there is post surgery, there is no infection. So while putting it, you can see there was no resistance. That is a proof that her nasal pathway is freely patent, and she's not going to have any breathing problem because of the surgery or anything. So this is also a check when we put in this, and if it goes freely and smoothly, that itself shows that the nasal pathways are patent, and there is no obstruction. So this is put in to splint the nose in the midline so that everything heals. So there is internal pressure and external pressure, and there is nothing collects in between the separated nasal lining.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.